we will quickly see that what we will be learning in upcoming classes. This is not the refined version, but this is just an indicative thing that what we will do and learn next, right? So I have just named it as visualization and drawing. So because you visualize something, right? You draw with your like when you think on your own or draw. Or another thing is that you might keep an object in front of you and draw, right? So how do you visualize things with color, without color? It can be any medium, right? So that's why I have named it as visualization and drawing. So going next, we will start this with line practice. I will suggest everyone to draw these lines on A4 sheet paper, freehand, and every day almost for a month or 2 months, we will draw lines, at least 2 or 3 sheets. Okay. In the next class, I will do a mobile setup that I will show you how we do the drawing as well. I will prepare for that. I don't have right now. So this is just a glimpse that you see these all are kind of freehand drawings which are done. I believe you guys would have done something like this as well, right? Or some people would have done. So how does it help us? It helps us to make lines very clean, very kind of straight lines without escape, right? So our the quality of the line will also improve. So this will be our first one. Going next, we will do some contour drawing. Contour drawing is line drawing basically without any color. We can take pencil or pen, whatever is favorite of you guys, we can do that. Okay. So, okay, I see more people are joining. Everyone, welcome to the class. Please join on time. I was late today. Actually, I had missed. I had forgot that the class was at 8 or at 9. So I had a confusion in my head. Suddenly I remember it's 8. So I was late. Sorry for that. But from next class, we all will be on time. Okay. So, like, this is a simple shoe drawing. You see, it is just made out of lines, right? So, this is called contour drawing. We will learn this as well. So, going next, we will do some organic drawings also. Organic, what do we mean by the organic keyword? Organic means which are not very sharp, right? In the nature, when we will see some things which is not very geometric, right? Which don't have a very sharp line until and unless created by a human, right? So like plant can be like that. It has something, the leaves can go haywire like this and that, right? If there is a bark of tree, we don't know what would be the shape of that one, right? It is very organic shape, right? So we will do few of these as well. We will do some object drawings also, how we can make very refined and let's say if we have to draw this mouse, right? So you see how geometric shape it is, right? Perfect kind of arc and circles are embedded in this one, and how free-handed we can also draw that. So in upcoming classes, we will do that. Perspective drawings, 1 perspective, 2 point, 3 point perspectives, we'll learn that as well. Going forward, we will do some tone drawings also. What do I mean by this? We will take some sorry. We will take some very shiny objects. We will place them in one place, and then we will just watch at it and draw it. Okay. So for an example, you guys can collect few utensils from your kitchen, place it on a table, and then you start drawing. So you see, if you see a glass, let me take an example of this candle, this thing. If you see, there are some over here, I can't see, but you can see there are some like sharp, bright lights which are falling on this. At some place, it is darker, right? So when we will place 2 or 3 things in one group, we will be able to get something with this, right? You see, there is a coffee um, paper cup, then there is a coffee mug, then there is a kettle, and how they have been placed. So when we will draw, how the placement will go, how we will draw it, right? How we will highlight it through our different types of like pencils or tools we will have. I will introduce few tools in next class. Right now, I don't want to overburden you guys, but you guys can collect your own tools also, like pencil, different type of erasers you can have, dough erasers and different another. Stadler, if you guys are like familiar with the Stadler or any even Nadraj pencil will work over there, right? A set of 6 pencil will also work as a bare minimum, right? So this will be a tone drawing. We will do this practice as well. For now, coming to the last one, which is orthographic drawings. We will do this as well, a very little bit on this one. And there are a lot of more which will be upcoming. I will prepare the syllabus and I will share with you guys. Every 1 or 2 weeks, we will do these practices. Okay. So I will also introduce the introduction to tools and all, putting the tools to use, how we will use the tools and all. And there are many more things. I just don't want to speak on the call because you guys won't be able to recall it any later, right? So we will add this as well. So now going next, we will do few uh, exercise today. Many more will be coming. We will share the syllabus. And so today's task, you guys want to draw today? Who all are excited to draw? And I can't hear you guys. Please switch on.